that we sailed away on when we were kids. Now I'm shouting your name from.
We're heading into the Rockies. We're coming into the mountains for the first time with Florence the Adventure Van. Heading east through Canada. Got a wedding to go to tomorrow. But we should find ourselves a good mountain campsite tonight. Don't really know where. It's been kind of rainy and stormy earlier on, so hopefully we find a good spot. Wow, you see that lane change, babe?
How do I?
Waking up is the best that I can do. Waking up is the best that I can do. Today. 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 Waking up is the best that I can do. Waking up is the best that I can do. Today. 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 Waking up is the best that I can do. Waking up is the best that I can do. Today. 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 Waking up is the best that I can do. Waking up is the best that I can do. Today. Today.
Did we find a good camping spot?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we did.
What was that drive like in?
It was great. Yeah, the light's so pretty.
We just had a pretty epic drive up this valley here to these really cool lakes, and I think I got some incredible drone footage. The light's beautiful. We just found an amazing camping spot. Things are going really well. Janelle did an amazing job driving. She's killing it. So yeah, this is gonna be a good place to wake up. I like it.
Today. Today. Waking up is the best that I can do. Waking up is the best that I can do. Today. Today. Today.
Well, a pretty incredible night up here in the mountains. I woke up at like 4:30 our time because it was pretty cold and I was starting to get a little restless, and came over here making breakfast by the lake. It's like so peaceful and calm out. This is just amazing. So stoked. And gonna head out of the mountains, head down into Medicine Hat, and go to a wedding today. Well, we are officially in the prairies. Only like another hour to go, and we're gonna be at the wedding. Gonna light it up, right, Janelle? We're gonna dance our faces off. Hopefully they have a dance. Ready to be done driving. A lot more tired than I thought I was gonna be. Definitely didn't sleep amazing last night. We'll sleep better tonight. First night in the van on a trip, always a little bit rough. Second night, it'll be better.
Today.